What's the problem? Do you know what the problem is? I don't know what the problem is. Is the battery charged? Can you tell me if the battery is charged? I wonder if the battery is charged. As you can see, today we're going to focus on direct and indirect questions.
Your Language Studio presents Let's Learn English with Teacher Sari.
Hello! Welcome to your Language Studio. I am Teacher Sari, and in these videos we're going to continue practicing your English. Before we begin, I want to remind you to subscribe to our channel and to hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of the material that we upload weekly. Also, I want to remind you to download the worksheet that you have in the description below. Remember to work on it while you watch this lesson. Let's start. We can make questions in two different ways, direct or indirect. Let's analyze them separately. Direct questions. These questions tend to be informal. We usually use these questions with people we are familiar with because we ask them directly. To make these questions, we use the normal question order, and we can use the WH words or yes/no questions. What do you do? Where do you live? Is this your car? Are you Mark? Indirect questions are a little more formal and they are less confrontational. We usually use them to ask questions to people we're not familiar with. We can use these questions within other questions. Listen. Can you tell me where the bathroom is? Can you tell me is the first question. Where the bathroom is the second question. Do you know where the library is? Do you know is the first question. Where the library is the second question. Notice that we also changed the word order. Listen. Direct question. Where is the bathroom? Indirect question. Do you know where the bathroom is? Who are those singers? Can you tell me who those singers are? We can also use indirect questions with yes/no questions. Listen. Direct question. Was the weather nice last summer? Indirect. Do you know if the weather was nice last summer? Notice that when we use yes/no questions, we use the word if to make it indirect. Can you tell me if the market is near? Do you know if the train left? We can also use indirect questions with statements. Listen. Where is Josh? I wonder where Josh is. Notice that I wonder is a statement, and the question is where Josh is. Focus on the word order. I don't know if the battery is charged. I wonder where Maggie is. I don't know what his name is. Now practice asking direct and indirect questions. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for your comments and thank you for watching. I am Teacher Sari and I will see you in our next lesson. Bye!